So I'm watching the trailer for James Fox's new documentary, The Program, and something at the very end caught my eye. Let's jump in. I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so like I said, as I'm watching James Fox's documentary, something at the very end struck me. Let me play it for you.
I would go to jail to say things that I've been exposed to in the program.
Did you catch it? It's that UFO video there at the end, right? I had never seen that before, and I don't know why I didn't catch it before, to be honest with you. But I asked my Discord server, and they showed up, right? They told me this is from Colombia, and they even shared the original video, so I'm going to be sharing that as well. So we're going to take a look at this full UFO video from the trailer, right? And why did James Fox include it? It must mean something, right, to include that footage, to be honest with you. It was in 2023 in Colombia, right, on a flight headed from Bogota to Sorrento, another town, about 164-kilometer flight, right? And along this flight, they see this UFO. So without further ado, here's the video. Okay, so what the F is that thing, right? That literally looks like exactly what you would think some flying saucer or craft looks like, right? It's got this sort of gimbal feature, right? Just like, I don't know how to explain it, right? Like other UFO videos. It's fascinating. What's even more fascinating is on the flight, you can hear the flight attendant talking, right? That's the flight attendant, because she's talking about celebrations and celebrating a birthday. They are not acknowledging this thing flying by the window. The person filming it is not even freaking out, which is interesting, right? Why is there no reaction to this thing? That makes me a little suspicious, but there could be a reasonable explanation, right? What do you think? Because I am fascinated by this video, to be honest with you. I mean, the look of it, broad daylight, on a plane, comes zooming by. And again, the shape of it is extraordinary. The light reflection. I don't think this is a hoaxed video, but at the same time, again, the lack of reaction from in the plane is what is alarming, because I'm sure some people watch that and think, oh, they're talking about the UFO. They're not. Right, the flight attendant is not even. I mean, she just giving announcements. Right, that's all it is. So I don't know. What do you think? There's a lot of videos like this, right, where the lack of reaction makes me suspicious. Right, when people in the video don't react to the thing, right, whatever it is. But regardless, if James Fox is including this in his trailer, it must mean something. Does he tell a better story about this in the documentary, right? Interview the person who filmed this and get more details. That would be nice, because there's not anything out there, right? So I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. It was a great video. I'm going to play it one more time on our way out. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.